Yes, students, now we will discuss today the new chapter chemical kinetics. So in this particular video, we are going to discuss the new topic chemical kinetics. Now, chemical kinetics, it's a new branch of physical chemistry. It's a new branch of physical chemistry and it deals with the study of the rate of the reaction. So it's a branch that studies the rate of the reaction and also the mechanism of the reaction. So physical chemistry का एक branch है chemical kinetics which basically deals with the rate and also with the mechanism of the reaction. So in this particular topic we will be discussing the rate, what do we mean by rate, types of rate, how to find rate and what are the different methods to find the rate of a reaction. So we are going to discuss chemical, that is the chemicals, the different kind of chemicals. What are the kinetics? Kinetics means the study with related to the motion, speed, movement. So how do chemical move in a chemical reaction, that can be studied with the respect of the term rate of the reaction. So now in this chapter we are going to discuss the term called as the rate of a reaction. So what do we mean by rate? In general rate means the speed of a reaction. ठीक है, बट रिएक्शन की स्पीड कैसे नोट करेंगे? इट इज द स्पीड ऑफ अ रिएक्शन and if you have a reaction in which R is converting to P, then what happens is initially you had only reactant. As the time progresses, the reactant changes to product. So initially we had reactant only and no product, but as the time increased, the amount of reactant starts to decrease and the product starts to increase. So here the speed is not the distance per time. You can't note the distance for a chemical reaction. So it's a change in concentration with change in time. The amount of the reactant and product are changing. So for a reaction, the rate is equal to the change in concentration of reactant or product with time. How is the rate defined? Change in concentration of the reactant or product with time. And the change in concentration, the unit for rate, the unit of rate would be, concentration would have the unit mole per liter and time in second. So the unit is mole per liter per second. And if the reactant are in gas phase, we will express gas phase reaction concentration and pressure. So it would be atmosphere per second. So for a gas phase, if the reaction is in gas phase, the rate has a unit atmosphere second to the power minus 1. So this is the rate. Rate is change in concentration of reactant or product with change in time. Now we will see the detailed part of it. Now when we talk for the rate of a reaction, we will make a graph. So in this particular graph, we are plotting time against the concentration of the reactant. Square bracket indicates the concentration. So initially when the time was 0, you had maximum reactant and this BR0. This is the initial concentration of the reactant. As the time progresses, the amount of the reactant decreases and it goes like this. So this is a graph that you get. Now let at time T1 and at time T2, we shall see the reactant amount. The amount of reactant at time T1, let this be R1, and at time T2, the concentration be R2. So reactant इतना था टाइम T1 पे, अब इतना हो गया टाइम T2 पे. So what is a change? Change in the concentration of R is basically the decrease in concentration of R, and the decrease is the final concentration R2 minus initial, which is R1, and this is denoted by delta R. So the change in concentration delta R, this is a change delta R. इतना रहेगा. This is delta R, which is R2 minus R1, and that R2 is less and R1 is less. R1 is big, so this value will be negative. ठीक है. Now what about the rate? Rate is equal to the change in concentration of reactant with change in time. What is the change in time? T2 minus T1, delta T. Now this rate, you will have the rate because delta R will give you a negative sign. But the rate cannot be negative. So in order to make it positive, we will always write with respect to reactant a minus is incorporated. This minus sign is used to indicate that the concentration of the reactant is getting decreased. So whenever you write the formula for the rate with respect to the reactant, it is negative delta R upon delta T. Why is it negative? So that the rate is becoming positive. The negative sign in the expression indicates that the concentration of the reactant is decreased, but the rate can never be negative. So negative, and this value is also negative, so it will turn to be positive, and this indicates the decreased term, the negative sign. So this is a graph with respect to the reactant. Now we shall also try to make the graph and the rate, this rate, since the changes are observable, we can note it directly. The rate that we write, this is also called as average rate. RAV is average rate, which is minus delta R upon delta T. So this is with respect to the reactant. Now we shall make a graph for product and find the rate. With respect to the product, we will plot the concentration of the product with respect to time. Initially the product is not there, you have only reactant. But as the time progresses, the amount will increase and it will become constant. So this is the nature of the graph that you get. So let this be T1, T2. Concentration is P1 at time T1 and P2 at time T2. So it's very clear the amount of product increases as the time progresses. So how will you write rate? Rate is change in the concentration of reactant product. So it is P2 final minus initial upon T2 minus T1. This is delta P upon delta T. And here the product concentration is increased, so no need to put a negative sign. So this is the rate of a reaction.